Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you this face art right here. So you may be confused that why have I done such a weird face art on my face, but this face art is not just makeup. I have depicted my thoughts and I really hope that you get the message that I want to spread. Okay, so nowadays we are seeing a lot of suicidal thoughts, a lot of suicidal cases, and I know that even if I say that don't do it, I know it's not easy for you, and everybody has gone through something in their life that they always have thought that let's give up the life. But you know that giving up is not the only option. I know everybody has faced so many problems in their life, and sometimes you feel that you are not meant for this world. Sometimes you feel that you are not capable enough to handle such situations. But trust me, you are better than that. You are better than all of the situations that is going on right now in your life. You are better than the people who are spreading negativity to your life. So maybe my words can change some people's life. I know that you may feel that it's easy for you to sit in front of the camera and speak about mental health, but mental health is not a joke, guys. Everybody, especially in India, everybody don't really talk about mental health. Mental health affects a person's life so much, and if we don't talk about it, then how the hell we are going to come out of it? And you know, one of my friends once told me that when you are trying to kill yourself, you are actually trying to kill your soul, who is trying to live. Your soul never wants to die. Your soul always wants to live in your body, but you are killing your body and your soul at the same time. But your soul doesn't want to die. So before taking a big step in your life, always think of your soul. So before jumping right into the video, I would be giving you a small description about my look today. So this side of the face, I've shown thunderstorm and fire. So most of you who are facing such situations like that, most of you may think that I am in between a storm. My life is over. I cannot really come out of it. I am surrounded with fire as well as storm, and your heart speaks a million words at that time, and you don't really know how to come out of the situation, how to come out of the fire or the storm. So that is why I have painted this side of the face like that, and on the other side of the face I have shown a sun. So you know, every dark night always ends, and after every dark night there is always a sunshine. So in any situation you are in, I know maybe you are in the worst situation right now in your life, but you need to always think that after every dark phase of your life, there will be a day where sunshine will come in your life. So just take out the positivity from the negativity in your life. This makeup is depicting a lot of thoughts, and I really hope that if you are watching me right now and you are in the worst phase of your life, then may this video help you. May you get a little bit of light from this video, and may you think positively from now on. So before talking too much, let's get straight into the tutorial. today's video, guys. I really hope that you have gained a little bit of knowledge and thought after seeing this video, and I really hope that it helps you. And if it does, don't forget to come to my Instagram and DM me. I would be really happy if this message gets to you and you get some help from this video. And if you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys on my next one.